Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I want to talk to you about a new hair tool I found that looks beautiful and that goes with me everywhere. It's called a Personal Stylist. It's compact and light and has 5 attachments, and I can slip it in my purse or take it out, and it's beautiful. And I can choose 2 tools I need for my hair. It looks so good, it's pretty enough to take out at a restaurant at night to do a little flip. Like when my friends run to the restroom, I can be grooming myself and it doesn't look tacky. And it has 2 sides, so I can do a little tuck when I want and close her up and put her away to be used later. Personal Stylist came to my door in a beautiful box, so it makes a great gift too. It comes in 3 colors. There's black, there's white, and there's blush. And with each Personal Stylist box, you take out the top, which is a cylinder, and underneath the cylinder you have your attachments. And with those 5 unique attachments, you get a styling brush. I use the styling brush to brush down those flyaways. And I like that round brush to do a quick flip. And it comes with a pintail for the quick flip around the back of the ear. And everybody needs a comb, which is great for the bangs. And the pick, which is what I like to use for the crown of my head to pick up the height. And every cylinder comes with a matching set of those unique attachments. The white's beautiful with the silver band. The black is gorgeous. It's wonderful that all those attachments match. If you prefer to have a different centerpiece, they will offer you one in gold as well. You might be a gold girl. The pieces interchange easily, so you can pop them out and then pop them in for each of the accessories and decide which 2 you want to take with you. Check out as I put them on and off and rearrange them so I have all the different accessories in any way I want. I love going out with this beautiful hair accessory set that will look great with any outfit I have and any function I go to, whether it's fancy or casual. It's a durable cylinder. It's made of high gloss plastic that's not going to mar or crack or look scuffed up. When I was choosing my blush color, I just loved the looks of them all. It was a really tough decision to make. They look beautiful in my bathroom as well. The small size works really great in my smaller purses and of course in a big purse. And you can just slip your hand in your purse and the unique feel of the smooth round cylinder is going to let you know what it is. You don't have to go digging in the dark to find it. It's really fun to have found an innovative product that somebody put a lot of thought into. I love the inventor that made this. Brushes can just look so messy. This is a beautiful way to style your hair in public without it drawing a lot of attention and looking bad. Hair is a great asset to have when you want it looking good, and it's so nice to do it on the go. So click the link below and get your Personal Stylist, and I hope you love it as much as I do. Comment and tell me what you do on the go when you're trying to look your best. I'm Rebecca Brand, subscribe to my channel, ring my bell to get notified of my next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life, like a recipe for great looking hair with a really good styling tool that can do many tricks. Okay, time to go. If you like this video, check out these others. They're all about hair.